Yeah, as I'm starting to drink, I just feel like I can't think in Dutch. I can barely think at all, actually. What's up, everybody? Tony here. Today I got Daya's brother Rev with me. We're gonna try a little bit of an experiment. Say hi, Rev.
Hi.
So I saw a video on YouTube about a British experiment conducted that basically tried to find out whether or not someone that drinks adult juice, if that person is able to speak a second language better, or if it just gives them more confidence to try to speak it and they just think they can speak it better. We're here to test that. Here's how the experiment is going to go. Rev is going to be my judge and jury. If I make any mistakes, Rev immediately will tell me, drink. I have to drink a shot. Couldn't find the other shot glasses, so miniature wine / champagne glass it is. Pinky up because I'm fancy. Okay, so the first word. Enigszins.
Wrong. That's one. At least you tried, so it's a good thing.
All right.
No face.
Word number 2. Landmacht.
Well, yeah, that's okay. Can you try to say it faster without a pause in the middle?
The same word?
Yeah, same word.
Landmacht.
Yeah,
So next word. Ondertussen.
that's hard.
I think the alcohol is working already.
Alright, try it one more time, the same word.
Okay. Ondertussen.
Yeah, it's fine.
The next word. Sollicitatie.
No.
Ah!
I'm gonna have to give you this. Sorry, man. It's
So good.
say it one more time.
Sollicitatie.
No. Damn. Almost. It's close. It's close, but it's not there yet. Last
Okay.
one.
Weerstand.
Yeah, it's good. Actually, yeah. So
I
that's
had to think mad hard. I'm not gonna front.
3 out of 5. So it's pretty good.
For part 2, Rev's gonna start me off and see where we go from here.
Ben je er klaar voor?
Ik ben klaar.
Oké, met wat? Alright, that's my answer.
No, nee. Ik ben klaar voor onze experiment.
What?
I think I have to drink.
Alright. Hoe gaat het?
Het gaat goed en met jou.
Met mij gaat het ook goed. Wat heb je gedaan vandaag?
Dat is goed. Vandaag ik ben drinken met mijn vriendins broer en een YouTube video gemaakt.
I understand what you're trying to say, but it's not grammatically correct.
Well, so that's one sentence down. This is the face of I don't want to drink anymore. It's too much too quickly.
Wat zijn je hobby's?
Mijn hobby's zijn basketbal spelen, foto's maken, I'm looking for the word for exercising. Wait, don't tell me. Training? Is training the word for exercising?
You can just say trainen. Like trainen.
Yeah, training, that one. And what over jou? Hobbies?
Mijn hobby's?
Yeah.
Ik hou van voetbal, normaal voetbal, geen Amerikaans, American voetbal. Muziek luisteren, soms muziek spelen als het me lukt, op de gitaar of op de keyboard. Ja, eigenlijk was dat het wel.
Ah, oké. En welke voetbalclub heb je voor spelen?
Voor welke ik heb gespeeld? Of voor
Yeah, that.
Gespeeld of gespeeld? Like currently or have played?
No, currently. New.
Nu, oké. Ik weet niet of mensen dat kennen, maar nu speel ik bij HBS in Den Haag in de onder 23.
Okay. And hoe vind je dat?
Ik vind het wel leuk. Eerste jaar terug in Den Haag. Veel vrienden, veel mensen die ik ken. Het is lekker dichtbij, 5 minuutjes met de auto. Dus het is goed te doen. 3 keer, 4 keer in de week.
Yeah. So, heb je daar gezien wat heb ik gedaan? Ik gemaakt, hem spreekt meer dan ik. Dus ik hoef niet te Nederlands spreken so much.
However, you do have to drink because that was not.
Het duurt bijna 20 minuten voor mij sauce te getten. Not begrijpen. Get.
Om dronken te worden.
Om dronken te worden. Yes, dat ben ik. Soon? What's the word for soon?
Snel.
Snel. Straks, that's the word I wanted.
Binnenkort. Ja, straks. Straks, ja.
Okay, that was conversation number 2.
Alright. Wat voor muziek vind je leuk?
The music that ik vind leuk is trap music, Spanish music. Ah, wait, I gotta say it in Dutch.
Drink up.
Woo. Okay, so I'm starting to feel the alcohol a bit. Yeah. As I'm starting to drink, I just feel like I can't think in Dutch. I can barely think at all, actually. It's a little bit of a struggle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the video here and I'm gonna finish my other drink just to make sure that it's interesting when we come back. And I'm gonna give it like maybe 20 or 30 minutes since I'm kind of feeling it already. And we'll see how the second half of the experiment goes.